So the market is in a really bad shape right now because of the war. But the one phrase I always remind myself when the market crashes is that sentiment is a contra indicator. When people are scared, nervous, or uncertain about investing, the period immediately after that gives you above average returns. I'm not saying it's going to happen this time, but if you take the case of what happened in COVID, the Nifty crashed from 12,300 in Jan 2020 to 8,000 in April 2020. That was a fall of 35% in 3 months. At that point, it was like an end of the world feeling. Even I sold part of my stocks, but then the market went from 8,000 in April to 14,000 in the next 1 year. If you look at all historical market data, in the last 30 years, there are barely 10-15 days when the market sees a huge single day surge. Now, if you miss out on that in your portfolio, you've missed the chances of big gains. Now, I'm not saying it'll come anytime soon. No one can time the magnitude or duration of this war, but when the relief rally comes, you have to be invested. So if you map the last 25 years in the Indian stock markets, there are only 5 months in the last 25 years where returns have been over 15% in a single month. So history has taught us that these sharp rise days come during the depths of uncertainty in the market, which is where we are at right now. So whenever you see news headlines flashing that the market is crashing, and if you feel like you should be selling, remember, patience is a competitive advantage.